Weight loss drugs like Ozempic, Wegovy, and other GLP-1 receptor agonists are making headlines as groundbreaking solutions for obesity and diabetes. But behind the buzz lies a serious question. Are you putting your health at risk by buying from untrusted sources? It's no secret these medications are in high demand, but when demand outpaces supply, some people turn to unregulated online suppliers or other black market sources. These may look legitimate, but the truth is chilling. The so-called cheap alternatives often lack proper quality controls, safety checks, or even the active ingredients they claim to contain. The result? You could be injecting yourself with something completely ineffective, or worse, something that will cause you harm, potentially putting your life at risk. When you buy medications from unregulated sources, the risks are severe. You might encounter contaminants or toxins that can be harmful, or other drugs which can have serious consequences. Medicines bought from unregulated sources may be stolen or diverted genuine medicines, but when they are incorrectly handled and stored, they can be ineffective if used, or could even have been tampered with. Incorrect dosages that can lead to life-threatening complications depending on the medicine. Fake drugs that don't contain the active ingredient, leaving you unprotected and at risk of worsening health. And let's not forget, counterfeit medicines have no safety testing, no sterility assurance, and no oversight. This is why the pharmaceutical supply chain is so critical. Every dose of the genuine Ozempic, Wegovy, or other GLP-1 analogs produced by a licensed pharmaceutical company are subject to rigorous quality assurance controls, including strict testing of raw materials purchased from authorized suppliers to ensure purity, manufacture in strictly controlled environments to prevent contamination during production, batch testing to confirm each dose meets safety and efficacy standards. This process is overseen by regulatory authorities like the MHRA in the UK, the FDA in the US, and other medicines regulators in the countries in which they are sold, ensuring every step complies with good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This isn't just about compliance, it's about protecting lives. Quality assurance is the backbone of pharmaceutical safety and quality. Before a single dose reaches your hands, it's been tested for potency. Does it contain the right amount of active ingredient? Purity? Is it free from contaminants? Stability? Will it remain effective during its shelf life? Safety, especially important for injections. Are they sterile? When you choose legitimate medicines from the regulated supply chain, you're not just paying for a product, you're paying for the peace of mind that every precaution has been taken to protect your health. These risks aren't just hypothetical. In 2022, the World Health Organization reported a significant rise in counterfeit drugs, including weight loss medications, circulating through unregulated sources. One documented case involved patients in the US who unknowingly purchased fake Ozempic online. Testing revealed that these products contained dangerous contaminants, including bacterial toxins, leading to severe infections and hospitalization. Global regulatory authorities, including Great Britain's MHRA, have issued warnings of counterfeit Ozempic pens, seizing almost 400 in the last 2 years, some of which led to patient harm. These cases are a stark reminder that unverified sources can lead to life-threatening health consequences. If you're considering Ozempic or similar medications, consult your healthcare provider and make sure you know the authenticity of the product you're buying and who you're buying it from. Stick to licensed pharmacies and trusted sources. Remember, your health isn't worth the risk. Choose safety, choose trust. Your health depends on it. Stay informed, stay safe, and always choose regulated sources for your medicines. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Help Me GMP for more insights on pharmaceutical safety and compliance.